I've been holding every feeling like a secret in my chest, trying not to let it tremble, trying not to make a mess. There's a quiet in my breathing, like I'm scared to let it rise, a softness in my voice that hides behind my eyes. I keep the volume steady, I keep the moment small, but something underneath it is pushing through the wall. This is the sound I can't contain, the one that shakes me from within, the one that keeps on growing, even when I hold it in. This is the sound I can't contain, the one that won't stay still. It's gentle when it starts, but I never stay that true. I feel the edges warm, like a spark beneath my skin, a tremor in the melody, asking me to let it in. I'm singing like I'm breaking, but softer than before, a quiet kind of cry.